also, the last question I have from my side, and Coach, I want you to know from your side as well. What about the government decisions? Government is always making decisions which affect the economy and all of these things, and markets react obviously to that. Ramaphosa saying something, and the markets have to react to that. How does that affect you, though, and how do you perhaps negate around that aspect to say, okay, this guy is messing up, Mara, we still need to make our paper. We still need to make our bread, despite what the president is doing, for instance.
All right. I think every decision almost that the government makes, the president or whoever, always affects us one way or the other, But as a okay, there's two ways to go about it. As a trader, an individual trader, I'm not really affected, because I can always benefit from the fuck ups or positive remarks whatsoever by buying or selling against South African rands. But as a businessman, definitely it is affecting me. I'm going to give you an example. I think the VAT or something was increased from 14% to 15%.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'm wrong. Yes. So such things, they affect us. When they increase the tax rate, they always affect us one way or the other. Now, because now, for example, in a business, every month something breaks down. You must always replace either a desk, a chair, or computer, whatsoever. And all those things, when you buy them with high inflation, whatever the case, we are always affected, when it comes to the business side. Mara, a trader alone is not really affected. We don't really care what the president does with who. We don't care. What we care about is making our money, withdrawing it, and then it comes to our bank accounts. And also, in terms of the tax issue on traders, right? Here's how I do it. I don't know how other people are doing it. Everything that I do, I use a business, right? I use a business account, which has an accountant. The accountant is able to do financial audits or whatsoever, calculate cost of sales. Remember, in every business, there's cost of sales. Cost of sales versus the income that got in, then that is my real profit. Then I pay tax from that particular profit. So it's not the thing that when you make 10,000, you make 100,000, then you must pay from that amount of money. That's not how I do things. I don't know other things. But one thing I know is most of the traders in this country are not paying tax. Reason being that they are using their personal accounts to trade, which makes it more difficult. I mean, it makes it more difficult for you to even understand what do you need to pay or where do you go. Remember, you come from poverty, Ndika. Nobody really educated you about these things. You don't know anything.
Can I just jump in? Sorry, buddy. Can I just jump in? Yeah? You said most of these traders, they are not paying tax, yeah? There is a mandate for banks, if you probably not aware of it, yeah? If there is money that is going, into an account, and there's a lot of money that is going, you like you're a trader, yeah? If you're trading, your money is going through your account, yeah? The implications of that now is the bank has got the mandate to ask you where the money is coming from. They cannot just keep quiet, because there's what you call money laundering and things like that. Any money that comes to the bank is accountable. That's the purpose of the banks, because the banks cannot keep quiet where the money is just getting in. They do not know where it is coming from. Your account will be closed. Your account will be closed. Yeah, they need to know, and not loads of money can go into an account which is a personal account. Yeah, without questioning by the bank. Yeah. So it has to be a business account.
But in South Africa, I understand what you're saying, but in South Africa, my king, these people got millions in their personal accounts, and nothing is happening. Remember, I've been using a business since 2017 when I fully started making money. I've been using the business on a personal. Yes, I do have money, but it's not that scary. You understand? I've been using the business, but I know traders who are using personal accounts. They even have black cards They even have millions inside.
Yeah,
You understand?
It is
they
possible.
have them. It's happening as we speak.
Yeah, it is possible that they can have millions of accounts, yeah, but sometimes they do not tell you what they are
Hello.
how
Sorry
they
to
are
jump
doing.
in. Sorry, ne. Can I ask something? Yeah, hey, coach.
Yes,
I need IB link. It's time now. I need IB link.
Okay, I know. I can get that done for you in 5 minutes. It's not a problem.
Yeah, hey, you guys are auditory. What? Now I was lost. You lost me when you started talking about a text. I was lost. I'm trying to figure it. I was lost, bruh.
So you are not paying tax.
I use my personal then transfer to my business.
So that means
You see,
so that means that means so that means
exhibit. This
it's
is what I
enough
was referring
for
to.
the bank.
It's not that he doesn't want to, but let's be
I don't
real.
know.
We
I don't
don't
know how
have
it works.
knowledge.
I don't know how it
Yeah,
works.
exactly my point. We
You're
don't
not
know how it works.
enough. You're not getting enough money in your account for you to know how it works. If
How
you
much
get
is enough? Let's start there.
How much is enough?
Let's start.
no,
How much is enough? And I'll
okay,
tell you that I've gotten that money and nothing happened. How much is
okay,
enough?
yeah, enough.
Estimation.
Yeah, enough. Yeah, it is determined by probably the way you're operating your business, and they know that your business account maybe is linked. They know you're a
They say how
businessman.
much. You're not supposed to say the number.
No, your account your account with Beyonce, your account with Jay-Z is different from your account. Your account is different from Beyonce. If it's Beyonce, we cannot say there's enough. There's Boiti. They're doing their own business. It's not a
Coach, you asked
business.
about how much. We're hearing names,
No,
not
no, 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 no,
prices.
no. It's different from people. It's No, it's different people. Listen to me. Listen to me correctly. Different from individuals. They know that individuals, yeah, they have got, banks, yeah, they can be able to banks. Listen, banks.
Yeah.
It's what we call credit check. It's what we call credit. Yeah, you might not think that they will know all your activities. Even if you've got that account and you're putting money in there, they will know where you stay. They know your business. They know a lot of things. Seriously. So you don't know that.
Yeah.
No, I removed him. That that guy is disruptive.
There's what we call credit check. There's what we call credit check, yeah? They will know where you live. They know everything about you. So the money that is expected Ndika to have, they know Ndika's got an official page. Yeah? He's getting that much, yeah? So they don't question you, yeah? And they cannot compare the money that you're supposed to have in the account with the money that is having, like people like Somizi or people like I don't know the celebrities in South Africa who have got money. Okay, I'll just give you an example, like maybe worldwide, the Beyonce, money that is in Beyonce is not questioned.